What's up, guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and I'm so happy that we're making another video today. And today we're gonna be
rating each other's fidgets and
rating each other's fidgets.
And our fidgets.
No, we're not gonna rate our own fidgets. We didn't do that. So yeah, I hope you like that video. I hope you like the video. What's wrong with my? Wait, how do I? Okay, so let's get onto the video. Okay, me first. Okay, these ones.
Okay.
Oh, let me move out.
So we're gonna
shoot. Oh. Okay, first off is my.
Wait. Well, by the way, guys, we're going worst to best.
Yeah, worst to best. Okay.
Yeah.
First off is these. These are not really fidgets. I like to take them and put them back apart. So what do you rate those?
I felt those before, and they felt kind of nice to like build them back. So maybe give it like a 5 or a 7.
Okay, thank you. And guys, by the way, sorry that her voice is a little like yeah. I don't know why it sounds like that for me. It usually does not sound like that when I'm recording. But I'm not recording. Yeah. Okay, now show me your other fidget.
Okay. This DNA stress ball, I love it so much. It feels so amazing. And I'm gonna no, this is not the worst.
I forgot to show you both of my bests. I got my favorite Brushity Frushity Crushity and my Lippity Grippity Trippity. My favorite fidgets.
Okay.
I'm just kidding.
So this one is kind of bad. It doesn't make any sounds, but it pops. It's a simple dimple, but as an avocado.
Oh yeah, and I'm so sorry for your loss.
For what?
I'm so sorry he died or she, I don't know.
Who died?
Your water snake.
Oh yeah. Wait, how do you know that?
Because you made a video of it.
Oh yeah, I was like, rip my water snake.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I did. Go.
Oh, well, what do you rate it?
Oh yeah. I rate that like 5. What do you rate this?
Girl, it doesn't even make.
I used to rate it at 5. Hey, over this way.
Fine. 1.
Yeah, as you should. Hey, how about this one?
Girl, it's
By the way,
my
guys,
turn.
I got real poppets I got real fidgets in the end. How about this one?
Yeah.
Oh no, this one I already showed you, but what's it called? This one I already showed you, but you never rated it.
2.
Wait, no, never mind. I didn't show you. Okay, now your turn to do it. Your turn.
This, but it's not even bad, so I'm like. Okay, so sorry, but I'm gonna have to pick my broken infinity cube.
I rate that like a 2.
It literally took forever. Literally broken.
Ew, why does my feet look orange when I do that?
Okay, yeah, I'm not doing. Wait, I have to go to the bathroom. Too long, trust me. Okay, you show the stuff that you're gonna rate. That I'm gonna rate.
Okay. No, now. I paused it. Okay, guys, so she's gonna be going to the bathroom. Hi. Don't mind her profile picture. We're doing a prank on someone. Like, look. Hi. Subscribe to me or no McDonald's for you, loser. Guys, what is taking her forever? I can't believe I do this in the real world. I'm not this weird at school, I promise. Oh, by the way, bad posture. I'm a popular girl at school. Nine, 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 nine. Help me. It's like the walls are caving in. Sometimes I feel like giving up, but I just can't. Is it in my blood? Or was it in my blood? No. I need somebody, oh, I need somebody. Guys, she's taking literally like 20 minutes. Yeah. Have you ever farted so hard that poo-poo comes out of your booty? Aitan, why'd you say that? Okay, can we do the video now? Hello? Are you gonna answer? She said it won't take forever. Okay, guys, look how it looks like through my glasses. They're blue glasses, so they're not prescription. Hi. Hola, niño. Hola, niño. Surprise, shawty. Guys, she's finally back. She's finally back, but she's moving her location. Okay, guys. So this is okay. What do you rate this? These.
I'll rate that a 1.
As you should. Okay, well, let me see your next one. Let me see yours.
Okay, my next one, this DIY
Simple dimple.
Pop It. I got this one from Taco Bell.
Girl, don't talk to me. Get it from McDonald's next time.
This one was from McDonald's.
As you should. Okay, guys. So, what do you rate this one? This cutie little pooty. Oh yeah, I forgot to rate that one. I rate your little thingamajig 2. How about this one?
It's so hard to just what's it called? Get it right.
How about this one?
4.
Yeah. Let me see yours.
By the way, I'm not doing least to greatest anymore, guys.
What?
Because I'm not doing least to greatest anymore.
Oh, okay. How about yours?
DNA stress ball.
Okay. I rate that an 8.2 because I love that. I love DNA stress ball. Okay. What do you rate my marble?
What is that?
Marble. Okay. Good for massaging your face.
Girl, that's so bad at massaging your face. 0. The only thing that you can
There's
do.
Carton! How about this one? Decapitative dog. This.
Wait,
This one. Wait, this one. Then this one. What do you rate it? What do you rate it? What do you rate it?
You forgot to put. Oh, never mind.
What do you rate it?
Probably a 6.
Okay. Okay, your turn. Okay, now.
Okay, just wait. Let me push it. And there can be some. Okay, so this bag you can like go like this with it. It's not like a simple dimple. I just like going like this. So what would you rate that?
I rate it like a 2.
actually feels nice, but okay.
Okay. But actually, can I see it again? I didn't even know what you were talking about.
You can like squish it.
Oh, probably like a 3 then. Okay, how about this one?
Girl, that's not enough.
This crappy thing.
A 2.
Okay. Okay.
It don't make no sound.
Yes, it does. Me so.
Okay.
Okay.
How about this other puppet? Cause I have 2.
Girl, that doesn't count. You can't show me 2 of them. Okay. Okay, no, show me something else.
This there's this thing that you can move it around with
What is
your
that?
thumb.
What is that? Wait, where did I?
What?
Be right back, guys. Okay, guys, so then, okay, this one, my other one, I found it. It's way better. Hey, so I have a marble and mesh item, but I can't find it. What do you rate my marble and mesh?
10.
What?
Because I really want one.
What? I can't hear you.
10 because I really want one.
Next? Okay, yeah, show me your thing next.
Wait. If I traded you this Rubik's Cube, what would you trade back to me?
Please.
Oh my god, you're so annoying.
Hurry. Hey, now my turn. I rate the Rubik's Cube like a 1. No, 1.
Wait. Can I make something? Tell me what to make. That's a fidget.
I rate the marble and mesh. I rate the Rubik's Cube a 1.
But
What? Okay, girl, I will. Wait.
how about you tell me what fidget you want me to make, and then give you, and you have to trade me something for it.
I don't know, maybe. Hey, what do you rate my magic sand?
What?
My magic sand. What do you rate my magic sand?
Hello? Did you even hear me?
Yes, I did. I literally said wait. Okay, maybe. What do you rate my magic sand?
7.
Okay. Wait, last thing. Now show me your thing. I rate that a 2. A 2. Or that a 2. Okay. What do you rate my puppet?
10. What do you rate this? You can move it around and
What is that? I can't even see, girl. Can you put it more up? Can you stop moving it? Oh, 3.
okay, you didn't rate this, but it looks like this. You can go like this, and you can go like that, and then there's this thing that comes with it.
A 4. Okay, I think that's all my fidgets, except my marble and mesh. I lost it.
Same,
Probably will be able to
all
find
my
it. I'm so sad. Where's my marble and mesh? Okay, sound check on my puppet. Okay, look, sound check. Okay, try. Okay, listen.
I got.
Okay, guys, I finally found my marble and mesh. What do you rate it?
Trade you something for it.
Okay, maybe. What do you get? I'll trade you this for your DNA.
I was gonna say a DNA ball,
Yes,
but
yes.
I really like my DNA ball though. What did you like the most?
Your DNA ball.
Girl, I love my DNA ball. Can I show you all of my fidgets and just?
But I already
say-
saw your fidget. That's literally the only one I like the most. Besides your puppet, you won't give me your puppet. I can't hear you, girl.
You want the most that I don't have.
Okay, I'm gonna pause it. Okay, guys, that is the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a video, and comment down below. But no, actually, the comments are not on. I don't know how to turn them on. Yeah.
If we ever get them on, you can comment as many times as you want.
Yeah. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Bye. Come back to the next video.